Hi everyone, this is a test. I'm using Burke's Samsung Chromebook, so it's like a Google-based netbook. It doesn't have like a USB port or anything like that, but it looks like my computer is really biting the big one. And this weekend in Massachusetts is tax-free weekend, and I was talking to my mother about it, and I was saying how I really need a new computer, because mine, I can't even hear, like the internal speakers. I mean, I could get external speakers, but the internal speakers are absolutely horrible. I can't understand anyone's videos. It keeps stalling. I have pop-ups all over the place. It's just really terrible. And then we were talking to some friends, and they said you should get a Mac. And so I'm just wondering, is now the time to get a Mac? Then the girl at the pool was saying that the Mac store, or online Mac, Apple, I should say, has refurbished the MacBook Pro and the MacBook Air. And she said she's had a ton of Macs before, and she said Mac or Apple. Yeah, Mac, right? Ugh, I don't even know. Anyway, she said that the refurbished ones are better than the other ones because they have been like tested over and over again, and that she's had no problems with any of the refurbished ones that she's ever gotten through Apple. So I think that's what I'm going to do. But I was sitting here watching some video. I'm lying in my bed, as you can see, watching some videos on Burke's computer because I can at least hear it. And then I saw this feature, and I said, oh, I'll give it a try and see how it goes. So we'll see how this works out. And if any of you have any feelings one way or the other as to if I should get an Apple. I keep saying Mac. Is Mac and Apple the same thing? A Mac. Yeah, a Mac. Yeah. Mac is through Apple, okay? Apple. If any of you have any suggestions, one way or the other, vote. Mac or Apple? Put a comment below and let me know, okay? And my hair looks like this because I have a conditioner in it. I was at the pool all day, and I have conditioner. See, I told you guys that I did that. See, can you see how it's like crispy? It's like crispy a little bit. And then I just did my nails. Let's see, the quality on here is kind of bad. So I definitely need a better quality camera to do video. But anyways, let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Bye.